मगाशी पण आलेला तो.
Okay. Okay. So if this was Soviet Union, okay, if this is Soviet Union का पूरा जगह, after the World War II, okay, obviously Soviet Union was under King's rule, okay. After the World War, the King's rule खत्म हो गया, everything was destroyed, everything was completely gone, okay. So obviously now only one. Now if you see India also, ठीक है, I'll give you India का example, okay. किसका रहा होता कृष्णकांत फ्लेमिंग और बोता दे ना, सुन रहे हो ना तुम लोग?
Yes sir.
हेलो हाँ. So India में also India का central government कौन है? Narendra Modi at the BJP, okay. But we still have state government. Now state government is Shiv Sena, okay, Uddhav Thackeray. Now why is this? This is the main reason is because see, Narendra Modi cannot handle the whole India as a nation. India कितना बड़ा है, एक आदमी थोड़ी ना संभाल पाएगा. So that's why he had to divide. India is divided into different states. That's why each state has a different government. This helps to segregate duties. Even the same way, this part of Soviet Union after the war was divided, okay, divided into different parts, okay. Now इसमें जो सबसे बड़ा वाला part था, that came into as Russia, and the other parts became like the Czech Republic or Holland or something like that, okay. But the major part of Soviet Union became Russia. Yes, Krishna.
Sir, Russia है क्यों?
रशिया क्यों मतलब? अरे मतलब क्वेश्चन नहीं समझा मैं. रशिया क्यों बड़ा था?
सर मतलब सोवियत यूनियन सब था, फिर वो हर एक इसमें डिवाइड हुआ, पर रशिया ही सबसे बड़ा है. ऐसे क्यों? ऑस्ट्रेलिया भी हो सकता है, इंडिया भी हो सकता है.
नहीं,
उसका रीजन क्या था उसके भी है?
अरे रशिया जो एरिया, ये देख, ये सोवियत यूनियन का एरिया है, ठीक है. ये सोवियत यूनियन का जब एरिया डिवाइड हुआ तो सबसे बड़ा एरिया जो सोवियत यूनियन का बचा था, दैट वाज कॉल्ड एज रशिया, ठीक है. इंडिया इट्स नॉट रिलेटेड टू इंडिया ऑस्ट्रेलिया. द पार्ट ऑफ सोवियत यूनियन व्हिच वाज द बिगेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ सोवियत यूनियन, दैट ट्रांसलेटेड इनटू रशिया. समझा? बेसिकली उसका कैपिटल समझते. हाँ बोल.
हेलो सर, उसको पता नहीं था कि पूरा सोवियत यूनियन एक पहला पूरा एक कंट्री था.
Okay, sorry. So yeah, Krishnakant. So this Soviet Union was a country first. It was like a whole kingdom. Soviet Union करके पूरा kingdom था, and after that kingdom got divided, the biggest part of the kingdom was called as Russia, which we still know today. समझा? Krishnakant, you understood this?
Yes sir.
You're sure you want me to explain again? Don't be.
No sir, sure.
Okay, very good. Okay. The next was okay. Now we understood Second World War. Now we'll see how did the Second World War come to an end. Okay. So see, as we know on the books, America won the Second World War. But see, I'll tell you one thing. My dad is a historian. Okay, he has written books on Hitler. Okay, he has written almost 4-5 books on Hitler. So when I read the books, ना, अगर मेरे dad ने सच लिखा है, तो according to him and even Google, okay, according to that, Hitler took Germany almost to the brink of the Second World War. War was within the hands of Germany, okay, and who was helping Germany? Italy and Japan, okay. So what America did, America played a cheap card, okay. कैसा फुटबॉल के टाइम कोई चीटिंग करता है ना, तुम लोग को जानबूझ के गिराता है, तो अमेरिका प्लेड चीप कार्ड. वो लोग ने चीटिंग किया. व्हाट अमेरिका डिड, अमेरिका ने जाके हिरोशिमा नागासाकी पे एटॉमिक बॉम्ब्स गिराए, न्यूक्लियर बॉम्ब्स, ओके. नाउ न्यूक्लियर बॉम्ब्स आर कंप्लीटली डिफरेंट देन एनी अदर बॉम्ब, ठीक है. इट्स लाइक तुम लोग घर पे, सॉरी, ओके, आई विल गिव एन एग्जांपल. हाउ टू गिव एन एग्जांपल, ठीक है. इट्स लाइक तुम लोग को एग्जाम लिखने बैठा है मैंने, और मैंने एग्जाम के टाइम पे मैंने सबका वाईफाई बंद कर दिया और सिर्फ एक बंदे का वाईफाई चालू रखा. ओके, इट वाज अनफेयर फॉर एवरीवन, ओके, बिकॉज़ सी व्हाट इवन
partiality,
partiality, obviously partiality. So even Germany could drop nuclear bombs, okay, but the thing was, see, when two countries are at war, ठीक है, उन लोग के आर्मी लोग लड़ रहे, ठीक है. So people of army, they are ready to die, but the innocent people ने कुछ किया क्या तुम लोग को? जो छोटे बच्चे रहते उन्होंने किया क्या? So what people, when they used to go to war ना, they used to, अभी obviously तुम लोग जब वॉर के लिए जाते तो अपने 20 बच्चे को लेकर नहीं आते ना वॉर के लिए. ऐसा सोल्जर ऐसा अपने बच्चे को उठा के गोली मार देगा नहीं, obviously वो लोग घर पे बैठते. So obviously Germany was like, if we have to win the war, we'll win the war in the battlefield, but America was like, मैं तुम लोग के घर ही उड़ा डाले. And घर भी किससे उड़ा? न्यूक्लियर बॉम्ब से. So once the nuclear bomb was dropped on Hiroshima Nagasaki, that was clean sheet surrender. Okay, उसके बाद no, there were no people alive only to fight the war. To war लड़ेगा कौन? Okay, so after that, after the war, after the atomic bombs were dropped on 6th and 9th August 1945, the Second World War ended, and it was a defeat of Germany and Japan. And if you all know, Hitler, he always was that he will not be killed by the enemy. Okay, so if you all know, once this thing happened, once Hitler understood that Hiroshima Nagasaki पे bomb गिर चुका है, Hitler को मालूम था कि now they are going to come for him. So what he did, he just got married. So this is a true story, and he just got married, and his wife, na, he told his wife that I can't allow you to die with the hands of the enemy. So his wife, उसके सामने, like he literally gave his wife poison, and his wife died. The same way he gave his dogs. He had 2 dogs, okay, 2 German shepherds. He gave those German shepherds also poison, and they died. And as soon as the what do you say, the people who came to catch Hitler आए, उसके office में a bomb blew off. Okay, then they never found Hitler's body. There were so many bodies because bomb फूटा ना, so body जल गया, फट गया. So there were so many bodies, but there was not one confirmed body of Hitler. Like कोई बोल सकता है कि वो Hitler था. So what happened? So obviously controversies came that people started saying that Hitler is still alive. Okay, that Hitler escaped from that place and was still living till almost 10 साल पहले. Okay, now I don't know which part of that is true, which part of that is not. But yeah, obviously Hitler died during that, but we can't say because ऐसा controversies था कि Hitler escaped, because obviously उसका body ने रखा था ना सामने. Okay, if अगर मैं उसका body देखता तो I could understand, अरे बंदा मर चुका, but no one seen his body. So there was a controversy that, you know, that he had escaped from there, and he had not died, but that's just a controversy. So Hitler always knew that. Yeah, Krishna.
सर मतलब अमेरिका, मतलब हम लोग किधर बॉम्ब रखते हैं तो पूरा ऑलमोस्ट सिटी जा सकते हैं, तो पूरा स्टेट कैसे जा सकते हैं? मतलब तो सर 4-5 लगाए थे क्या ये लोग ने, हिरोशिमा एंड नागासाकी?
मतलब मेरे को तेरा क्वेश्चन नहीं समझा. कैन यू टेल मी अगेन?
यस सर आई एम आस्किंग, मतलब ये हिरोशिमा और नागासाकी, इनको मतलब 2 न्यूक्लियर वेपन से ये किया था ना, उड़ाया था ना, तो बस 2 ही कैसे पूरा स्टेट को उड़ा सकते हैं?
अरे 2 ही तो न्यूक्लियर वेपन है वो, कृष्णकांत. यू the nuclear weapon is not something. So nuclear weapon का जो wavelength है ना, मतलब जो effects था वो अभी तक तेरे को हिरोशिमा नागासाकी में दिखेंगे. Like literally till now, it's not. So nuclear weapon is not anything like it will तेरे को गोली मार के कैसा दर्द तू मर जाएगा वैसा नहीं. न्यूक्लियर वेपन लाइक तेरे स्किन, तेरे जो सेल्स रहते हैं ना बॉडी के अंदर, it affects those. Okay, so it was not something that this. So it wiped out the whole Hiroshima Nagasaki, जो पूरा state था ना, it wiped out. Just wait 1 second. Let me see if I have any video of that. Yes.
सर उसका रेडिएशन अब तक है ना, वो बच लोगों के
अभी
ऊपर
तक है literally अभी तक है. I don't think there'll be a video, but I'll just try. Okay, I'll just try. Let me see if I
सर
can.
न्यूक्लियर, मैंने एक बार न्यूक्लियर बॉम्ब्स का वो वाइड स्प्रेड वाला वीडियो देखा था.
हाँ, तो you all know, like तुम लोगों को मालूम है कि वो बॉम्ब कितना, you know, how deadly it is. Okay, let me see if यहाँ पे दिखा रहे. Just give me 1 second ना. Because if you see now, if you like want to how you can say check it online and all, उधर बहुत दिखते हैं, like okay, I know, I don't think it is there over here.
ओके सर, नो प्रॉब्लम, अंडरस्टूड.
No, अगर मेरे को मिला तो दिखा सकता है ना, because there are lot of movies made on it, right? Like बहुत सारे movies बन चुके थे उस पे. So अभी ओरिजिनल क्लिप तो नहीं, बट आई थिंक मूवीज का क्लिप रहना चाहिए यहाँ पे. Okay, see, I'll show you. See, you can see my screen. तारक मेहता मत देखो, राइट साइड में तारक मेहता मत देखो, ये सामने वाला स्क्रीन है. Okay. So see, during when the bomb was dropped, na, these were the minor effects which played. Okay, So ऐसा पूरा, okay, so this is the whole thing. I'll show you all this. This is a scene from a movie, so don't see. Okay, so this you can see this Krishnakant.
Yes sir.
Yeah, this is when the atomic bomb. The bomb either हुटा, but if you can see this wave around it, this whole wave alone wiped out the entire city. Okay, see ऐसे ऐसा एक लेंथ में पूरा घर वर सब उड़ गया. You can see. You seen? So basically जो एटॉमिक बॉम्ब रहता है ऐसा हल्का फुल्का बॉम्ब नहीं रहता. उसने पूरा इवन इंडिया में भोपाल में हुआ था. If you all know the भोपाल बॉम्ब ट्रेजेडी, if you all might have heard, that also उसका इफेक्ट अभी स्टिल दिखता है. Okay.
सर वो
So,
किसने डाला था?
वो डाला नहीं था. उधर भोपाल में एक ये टॉक्सिक गैस का फैक्ट्री था. वो एक्सप्लोड हो गया, फैक्ट्री एक्सप्लोड हो गया. तो उसके वजह से जो हार्मफुल गैसेस था, वो हार्मफुल पूरा गैसेस उधर के लोगों ने इनहेल कर दिया. एंड दे आर स्टिल डीलिंग विद इट इवन राइट नाउ. तो उसपे मूवीज भी बन चुके हैं. एंड इवन अगर तुम लोग अभी भी अगर जाएंगे तो यू कैन सी ओवर देयर दैट द किड्स आर बोर्न विद यू नो लाइक उनके 3 हाथ रहते हैं या एक नाक सफेद, 2 नाक रहते, 1 eye. So उनका some disnormality होता ही है वहाँ पे. Okay, that was not anything on purpose. That was like a factory का mistake. Like they shouldn't have kept so much atomic power in the factory. ऐसा वो लोग को बोला गया था, पर वो लोग ने बोला कुछ नहीं होगा और कुछ नहीं हो के फट गया वहाँ पे. Okay, so now Cold War. Okay, now what was Cold War? So your time is up, but I'll just quickly go through it. So Cold War क्या था? After the First World War, Second World War, they started the Cold War. Now Cold War was between America and Soviet Union. That's Russia. The Cold War was fought between America and Russia. And was fought for almost 40 to 45 years. मतलब recently खत्म हुआ during the time of Obama. Now also अभी के time पे you can't say that America and Russia are best friends. Okay, you can't say. इंडिया और अमेरिका का इतना अच्छा दोस्ती है, but अमेरिका एंड रशिया का इतना दोस्ती नहीं है. Okay, now what happened? Now after that, each one, America and Soviet Union wanted to be superpowers. Okay, but they knew अगर if they started a war, they knew that they will be the first one to blame. अगर अमेरिका वॉर चालू किया, वर्ल्ड वॉर 3, तो पूरा दुनिया अमेरिका को ब्लेम करेगा. और अगर रशिया ने वर्ल्ड वॉर 3 चालू किया तो पूरा दुनिया किसको ब्लेम करेगा? रशिया को. ओके, सो व्हाट इज कोल्ड वॉर? कोल्ड वॉर is the time before the war. Okay, so it's a war just fought in the head. मतलब वॉर का पूरा सिचुएशन बन गया था, पर war was never fought. Okay, that's basically called as Cold War. The meaning is given बाजू में. The concept of a Cold War is used to describe the condition where there is no actual war, but there are such tensions in the circumstances that they may be responsible to cause war. या कृष्ण का
सर मतलब उनको बस मौका चाहिए ना कि इसलिए मतलब किसने भी चालू किया लगे.
हाँ बराबर, एब्सोल्युटली. मतलब इतना टेंशन हो गया था, वॉर का पूरा तैयारी हो गया था, बंदूक हाथ में ही था. वो सामने वाले बोला तू एक गोली मार के दिखा, मैं बम से उड़ा देगा तेरे को. ठीक है, but that war never happened. So but the tension between them, so I'll tell you why was it so harmful. Because during the Cold War ना, people started keeping ammunition. ठीक है, now arms race मतलब बंदूक. मतलब अगर अमेरिका ने बोला मेरे पास AK-47 है, तो रशिया ने बोला मेरे पास दो AK-47 है. ठीक है, तो तू क्या करे? एक से तेरे पास एक है तो मेरे पास 2 है, बराबर AK-47 है. ठीक है, if America said
Sir,
I have
year?
Yeah, what year? This was it's not a particular year, but it started just after the Cold War. So basically you can say after 1946 1947 started and अभी जाके end हुआ. There's no particular, मतलब अभी तक end नहीं हुआ. They still have rivalry, but वो लोग का जो rivalry इतना Cold War में नहीं बदला. Okay, now
Sir, like
now
India
what happened?
Pakistan.
Yeah, like India Pakistan, you can say that. Okay, so now what happened? They had उनके बीच में झगड़ा चल रहा था. तो अमेरिका ने बोला मेरे पास 2 बंदूक है, रशिया बोला मेरे पास 5 है. अमेरिका बोला मेरे पास 2 न्यूक्लियर बॉम्ब है, रशिया बोला मेरे पास 5 न्यूक्लियर बॉम्ब है. Now their rivalry shifted to something. NASA and SpaceX. Okay, if you all see, अमेरिका एंड रशिया दोनों के बीच में रेस चालू है, who will reach to Mars before the one. Okay, so दोनों के बीच में रेस चालू है, कौन मार्स पे पहुंचेगा सबसे पहले. Now their rivalry is shifted into something like that. Okay, this is their posters made for the war. Basically, this is like the creatives which was made between America and Russia. Okay, now what were the effects of Cold War? Okay, now everyone understood what is Cold War. Everyone, Cold War समझा सबको? कृष्णकांत?
Yes sir.
Okay,
Sir, tension.
now yeah, tension between them. मतलब one second. मतलब I'll tell you why was the tension. हाँ, so I missed that point. So see, दोनों के बीच में इतना tense situation हो गया था. So ये लोग क्या करते हैं लेते, ये लोग सब बंदूक बम किधर रखते थे? स्कूल के अंदर रखते थे, घर के बाजू में रखते थे. तो जो कॉमन पीपल थे वो लोग डर गए, वो लोग बोले अरे मैं घर के बाहर निकला, कोई मेरे को गोली मार देगा. So that's why the tension increased between the common people and everyone was scared for their life. Okay, now we see the effects of Cold War. Now what happened during the Cold War? Creation of military organization. Okay, I'll just go ahead and I'll just make the diagram and I'll show you all. Okay, so during the Cold War there were two parties. Okay, first was America and next was Russia. Okay, so America started the NATO treaty and Russia started the, can anyone answer this?
Warsaw.
Okay, so America started the NATO treaty and Russia started the Warsaw treaty. Okay, so now what was this? This was bribe money. Okay, so ये लोग दोनों ने पूरे वर्ल्ड को बोला कि अगर तुम लोग मेरा टीम ज्वाइन कर देगा ना, तो जब मैं कोल्ड वॉर जीत जाएगा तो you will be a super power. Okay, so that's why people, that's why everyone are like तू मेरे टीम में है, तू मेरे टीम में, तू मेरे टीम में, तू मेरे टीम में. So the whole world got divided into two teams. That is, one was Russia ka team, one was America ka team. Okay, and the whole world getting divided into two parts is known as the bipolarization of the world. Okay, what is the meaning of bipolarization? The whole world getting divided into two parts. Okay, and the NATO treaty was whose child? America's, and Warsaw treaty was whose child? Russia. Okay, so if I went to America's team, America बोलता है ठीक है, अगर तू मेरे टीम में है तो मैं जब जीतेगा तब तेरे को सुपर लीडर बना देगा. रशिया बोला अगर तू मेरे टीम में है तो मैं जीता तेरे को सुपर लीडर बना के प्लस तेरे को और दो BHK घर फ्री. So they were trying to get people in on their side. Okay, is this clear for everyone? Yes.
सर तो इंडिया कौन सी साइड में गया, मतलब ऐसा नहीं है.
Good, very good question. It's coming up. Okay, next was the creation of regional organizations. Before getting to that point, regional organizations were the smaller countries. Okay, now what smaller countries you all are asking? Basically, जो सिंगापुर, थाईलैंड, मलेशिया था, these were small nations. Okay, ये nations को obviously कोई चाइना, ये nations कोई रशिया, अमेरिका आके मदद करने वाला नहीं. So what these nations did? These nations signed an ASEAN treaty, which means Association of Southeast Asian Nations. Basically, Asia का ये treaty था. In this, all the Asian countries, including India का नाम नहीं आपको include India, they would help each other in times of trouble. Okay, now we go to Krishnakant's question. Okay, India. Okay, so basically India was a part of the non-aligned movement. Okay, इंडिया ने सीधा आके बोल दिया अमेरिका और रशिया को, तुम लोग लड़ो बाबा, तुम लोग को मारने का एक दूसरे को मारो, तुम लोग को एक दूसरे को खाने का खाओ, गोली मारने का, चाकू मारने का मारो, मेरे को इससे बाजू में रखो. India didn't want any part of the Cold War. Okay, India was like, I don't want to be a part of your war. You all don't, तुम लोग मेरे को खींच के अपने पीछे मत लाओ. ठीक है, you all know ना, when two people are fighting, हम लोग उन लोगों को देखते हैं, हम लोग क्यों नहीं बीच में आते? Because we don't want anything to do with that. Same India was a non-aligned movement. India was like, मैं किसी के भी साइड में नहीं आएगा, मेरे को अमेरिका के साइड में भी नहीं जाने का, रशिया के साइड में भी नहीं जाने का, मैं बाहर से बैठ के. हाँ, या कृष्णा
सर, और कौन से कंट्री नॉन अलाइनमेंट थे?
I'm telling you, आएगा, तू धन रख, आएगा, सामने आ रहा है. ठीक है, so what India did? India was like, I don't want to be a part of anything. मेरे को इधर से दूर रखो, तुम लोग लड़ो, मैं बाजू में बैठे पॉपकॉर्न खाएगा. Okay, that is called non-aligned. Now, what is meaning of non-aligned movement? The Asian and African countries. Okay, this is your answer, Krishnakant. The Asian and African countries. Now, why Africa? Africa was that time. Africa had just got this one, Nelson Mandela. Okay, so Africa had just become freedom. Now, if Africa was just freedom मिला तो सीधा war में नहीं जाएगा ना वो. They were like, they wanted to enjoy freedom, and that time India and America, India and Africa, they had become good friends because Mahatma Gandhi, where did no, this is already written, Krishnakant. This is, I'll send you the PDF, you can write it later. Okay, don't worry. So India से जो अपने थे ना महात्मा गांधी. Anyone's mic is on or? Okay, one second. No. Okay, so now I'll tell you why did India. See, I know it's late, but just guys give me more 5 minutes, then I'll end the chapter. Okay, so why did India and Africa become friends? Because Africa was under Africa का main hero कौन था? Nelson Mandela. And India से अपना बाप को, अपना महात्मा गांधी, where did he completed the education about law? In South Africa. So when Mahatma Gandhi was in South Africa, he and Nelson Mandela became very good friends, and that is why they came together in this treaty. And ये treaty, ये non-aligned movement में वो लोग ने बोला कि मुझे कुछ करने का ही नहीं है तुम लोग के साथ. They literally told America and they told America and Russia, we respect all, we don't have anything against all, but we really don't want to be a part of this war. We have just received our freedom. We don't want to be a supreme nation. हम लोग को outside बाजू में रखो. Okay, Krishnakant, you can write this later. I'll send it to you. Don't worry. Okay.
Sir, we
Now,
have to write only block 1, no?
Yeah, only block 1. Okay, so that was the non-aligned movement and the
Sir,
evolution
means
of
India
yeah.
को leader भी नहीं बनना और उनके बीच में भी नहीं बनना.
बराबर. India didn't want to do anything with the Cold War because India knew अगर वो Cold War में जाएगा और अगर Third World War हुआ तो इंडिया के लोग भी ज्यादा मारेंगे. So they were like, we don't want to do. And India के साथ कौन थे? African communities and even the Asian communities. The ASEAN countries, the the Singapore,
Thailand,
yeah,
Philippines.
all those also supported India. Okay. Now, end of the Cold War. Now, why did the Cold War end? Okay. Now, there are 4 reasons given in your textbook. Why did the Cold War end? From there, the first reason is the Soviet Union adopted policy of opening up economy. The state loosens up its control of the economy. So, क्या हो गया? Russia. One second. Okay, it's raining over here heavily. Okay. So Russia after some time वो लोग मतलब अभी कितना war लड़ेगा, ठीक है? वो लोग भी नहीं मार रहे, हम लोग भी नहीं मार रहे. इससे अच्छा मैं जो war पे पैसा खर्च कर रहा है, वो मैं अपने देश पे पैसा खर्च करेगा, बराबर? So they were like that better I spend money on my own country than spending money on the war. So that was one reason why the Cold War ended. The second reason, the then president of Soviet Union, Mikhail Gorbachev, implemented policies of Petroskovia, that is reconstruction. So basically there was a place called Petroskovia and he wanted to reconstruct it because of the war. Many during the war, many buildings in Russia had broken down. Okay, people had no place to stay. So what he said, the president, he was like, इस पे पैसा खर्च करने से अच्छा मैं वो पैसा अपने देश के डेवलपमेंट के लिए यूज करेगा. Okay. The third reason was as Eastern European countries under the influence of Soviet Union adapted capitalist and democratic paths, the regimes were changed. Obviously, the rulers, Russian rulers, they obviously changed. Like first we had Manmohan Singh, then we had Narendra Modi. Okay, so obviously दोनों के ideologies अलग थे. So when the leaders changed in Russia, each leader had a different ideology. And as soon as new leaders came, new leaders were like, क्यों war लड़ने का, war जाने दे, हम लोग अपने देश के लिए करेंगे. And the fourth reason was the Soviet Union disintegrated into new nations. Basically the diagram that I showed you, this is Soviet nations. They disintegrated, मतलब divided into small nations. And the जो ये 4 nation में सबसे बड़ा nation था, that was called as Russia. Russia was the biggest country in the Soviet Union. Okay, basically how India में Mumbai is sorry, can you name a country?
Rajasthan. In India,
okay,
Rajasthan.
Barabar. Like how India, Rajasthan, India, Mumbai, the same way. The same way. Sorry, Mumbai is a city. The same way, like in Soviet Union, Russia was the biggest country in the world. Okay, and you understood. इतना तो clear होना चाहिए. You understood, Krishnakant? You were absent, no? You understood?
Yes, sir. Sir, मैंने कल वीडियो भी देखा था सारे.
Okay, no worries. Okay, this started as the post-Cold War. Okay, this was the same thing which we did. Post-Cold War was basically how after the war, how the rival nations became friends. Okay, जो दुश्मन थे वो लोग दोस्त कैसे बन गए? Because they also knew अभी war करके कुछ फायदा नहीं. We need to stick to each other. We need to stick with each other, and we need to help each other. And that brought us to now the stage which we came at, which is known as globalization. Globalization is nothing. Yes, Krishnakant.
Sir, post Cold War में कुछ लिखना था क्या? Any notes?
No. That's why I didn't stop. I didn't give anything written also in that. किसको भी नहीं दिया. There was nothing to be written in that. That was just for you all to understand. In post World War, just one thing they all ने the rival nations became friends. मतलब जो दुश्मन थे वो लोग दोस्त बन गए. And that led to what? Globalization. The globalization is what we did today. Is that basically each nation depended upon each other for their trade and for their success, and that globalization is even called now. Even basically your phones, whichever phones you use, उसमें से आधे फोन तो बाहर से ही आते हैं, अमेरिका, चाइना से ही आते हैं. Okay, now this year India has banned China because obviously COVID का सीन हुआ, so India और China का relations are little bad right now, but globalization is still going on. India has contacts with multi-million companies in Europe and in America, so that's helping us. Yes, Krishnakant.
सर कोरोना की वजह से मतलब इंडिया का रिलेशन ये हो गया चाइना से सर कोरोना बस इंडिया में थोड़ी था, पूरे वर्ल्ड में था ना, तो
तो पूरा
सारे
पूरा
कंट्रीज से हुआ।
फुल वर्ल्ड है। हाँ नहीं नहीं, मैं इंडिया का रिलेशन आई एम स्पीकिंग विद चाइना इन पर्टिकुलर। ओके, सो इफ यू ऑल नो, इंडिया हैज बैंड पबजी। ओके, व्हाई इंडिया हैज बैंड पबजी? बिकॉज़ लोग
इट
बता
इज
रहे
अ
थे
चाइना
कि
ऐप।
चाइना, हाँ, एंड चाइनीज गवर्नमेंट वाज गेटिंग हम लोग का जो एआई आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस है, वो पूरा हम लोग का जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन था वो चाइना के पास जा रहा है। दैट्स व्हाई इंडिया हैज बैंड दोस ऐप। दैट डजंट मीन इंडिया का दूसरे कंट्री के साथ रिलेशन खराब है, ओनली विद चाइना आई एम स्पीकिंग, एंड टिकटॉक एब्सोल्युटली।
नो सर,
टिकटॉक
आई एम
या
आस्किंग, मतलब इंडिया और चाइना का रिलेशन खराब है, तो फिर
हाँ,
बाकी के कंट्री में भी तो कोविड आया था ना, तो बाकी के
बराबर।
कंट्री से भी चाइना
ऑब्वियसली
का ही है
द
ना।
होल द होल वर्ल्ड इज ब्लेमिंग चाइना फॉर कोविड ना, ऐसा नहीं कि सिर्फ इंडिया ब्लेम कर रहा है, पूरा दुनिया चाइना को ब्लेम कर रहा है इसीलिए। ओके, and that's we came to the end of the chapter. I'm sorry I took so late, but I hope everyone has understood this chapter. Everyone